Let's design a simple food flyer. I'll go to upload, click on this image, right click, or I'll click comma, set as background image. I'll go to edit, click on image, click on see more, go to magic grab. I want to remove the image from the background, just like the image is tied to the background. So I just want to remove it. I use magic grab, I click the subjects one after the other. By using your system, just click shift, just hold shift and click and left click. Hold shift and left click. I'll now go to element, go to shapes, click on square. I'll bring it here. I'll cover my canvas. I'll go to color, go to gradient, click here, and the color here, click this one, bring it to this place, send it up. I'll send it to back. I'll click on the image, click on adjust and auto adjust. I have my logo already. I'll just left click and paste my logo here. I'll click on text. I'll type bringing families together with one meal at a time. This bring should be capital letter. The B should be capital letter. I'll go to font. I'll change it to Anton. I'll change it to Anton. Make the font size to be 50. I'll go to colors. Click here. I want the color to be the gradient color. I'll bring this one here. Move this one to this place. That's our color. I have my tagline already. I'll paste it. This is my tagline. I'll go to position. Also, good position. My tagline is uniting families through the joy of great food. Every meal is a moment to cherish together. So click here. Got this. I'll bring it down a little bit. I'll go back to shape. I'll click rounded square. I'll bring it down a little bit. Expand it to this place. Expand this. Expand this. I'll bring it down a little bit. I'll change the color to black. I'll duplicate. Change the color to yellow. Take it up a little bit. Send it to back once. That's it. I'll go and pick rounded square again. I'll reduce it to this. Change the color to yellow. Bring it down here. It's too. I'll bring it down here. I'll click T for test. I'll type order now. I'll change it to cap lock. Make it bold. Change the color to black. I'll bring it down here. Then change the font size to around 25. It's okay. Click here. Go to position. Put it at the center. I'll go to elements. I'll click. I'll look for call icon. I'll pick this one. Change the black color to yellow. Change the white color to black. I'll reduce it a little bit. I'll bring it here. Let me bring this one down a little bit. I'll bring it here. I'll bring this one down. Let me group this so I can align the two of them. Align to my door. Okay, it's okay now. I'll group. I'll copy this. I'll duplicate it. Sorry. Change the color to white. Then type my number plus 234 801234. This is the number. I'll hold this and this. I'll push it back a little bit so it won't go out of alignment. Then I'll bring this one closer. Bring this one up a little bit. Bring this in a little bit. I'll go back to element. I'll type leaf. This leaf I want. Motion blur leaf. I'll click it. I'll go to flip it. Go to element. Go to blur. Make it 80. I'll bring it down here. Bring it down here a little bit. And that's the final design.